viewers, again welcome. Now we dive into the world of beautiful jute craft and jute drop ideas, very beautiful recycling ideas of bottles and designs. So in this video we will show you how to style, how to recreate, and we give you design especially. If you want to learn how to make this type of things, so you can comment in the comment section.
But instead of letting them pile up in the landfill, why not turn them into a beautiful creative decoration for our home? By the end of the session, you will have plenty of ideas and inspiration to give your old bottle a second life. Why recycle bottle? Before we start decorating, let's talk about why recycling is so important. Plastic bottles take hundreds of years to commit. Glass bottle, on the other hand, never really break down. They just keep piling up. By reusing them, we reduce waste, save energy, and protect our environment. And the best part, recycling does not have to be boring. It can actually be a creative hobby that brings joy to you and beauty to your home. Imagine turning trash into a treasure. That's the magic of recycling. That's a simple and budget friendly. First, wash the bottle thoroughly and remove any labels or sticky, and little warm water with soap help loose sticky glue. Dry the bottle completely because point and decoration stick better to a clean dry surface. This step may sound basic, but the foundation of your decoration. Think of it as preparing a blank canvas. Now comes to the fun part, adding color. You can spray paint the bottle of a smooth finish, or you use brush to create texture design. Bright colors work well for the festive look. High pastel tones are perfect for a soft, cozy vibe. If you want something modern, try metallic shades like gold, silver, or bronze. Don't be afraid to experience. Remember, this is your artwork, and pattern strips or even hand-drawn doodles lets the paint dry completely before moving to the next step. Step 3. Once the paint is dry, it's time to get creative with decoration. Wrap a ribbon around the neck of the bottle of the glass. Classy touch you use. Use lace for the vintage style or glitter for every party look. You can glue bead shells or buttons into the surface for extra texture. Another great idea is to wrap jute rope or yarn around the bottle. This gives a rustic nature feel. For a festival season, you can even stick small elements or use them sticker. The possibilities are endless. All you need is a little imagination. Step 4. Now that your bottles are ready, how you can use them? Here are some ideas. A flower vase perfect for fresh and artificial flowers. A candle holder, just place a candle inside a glass bottles for a cozy atmosphere. A storage contain whole pens, brush, or kitchen. A fairy lights holder, drop in some LED lights and watch your bottles glow beautifully at night. Every decoration bottle add a unique charm to your space. Environmental and creative freedom. Remember, there are no strict rules in bottle decoration. Every design is special because it reflects your creativity. Don't worry if the not perfect. The beauty of recycling is that impression make it unique. Whether you are a student, a homework, or just some of enjoy crafting, this activity is fun, relaxing, and meaningful. Conclusion. So the next time you finish a drink, don't throw the bottle away. Instead, give it a second life through decoration. You will not only reduce waste but also create something beautiful and yourself and your home. Recycling is more than an environmental responsibility. It's an opportunity to express creativity and spread positivity. Thank you for joining my today. I hope you are inspired to start your own bottle decoration. Thanks for watching.